Alright guys, I've been trying to think of a way to mount this Hedge trimmer to the front of my trailer. So I went through my junk drawer of parts, metal parts, stuff like that. And here I'm just lining things up. I have this piece of wood mounted to the front as sort of a bumper to keep the mower from bouncing off the metal rail there. This is one of those little tool hangers you get from Lowe's or Harbor Freight. And this right here is a guitar hanger that you would hang a guitar off the wall with. You could just use two of the other hooks there, but I found that in my drawer, and these are some little bungee cords I was going to tie it down with that I ended up not using. Just they weren't strong enough, so I got some better bungees to hold it on there. And once I got things kind of where I wanted it, I went ahead and just drilled a couple pilot holes, made some marks. And I'm just lining these hooks up here just so when I put the tool in, there's a little bit of tension in between the two, just a little bit of resistance. I found this little bracket in my metal drawer. I'm just putting this here so I can put a lock through it. That way nobody, walks by and grabs it. I'm just attaching these little hook things here to just make it easier to tie a bungee cord around this to keep it from bouncing around. And I stuck another random piece of metal here to serve the same purpose, just to tie the bungee cord to. And here's the finished product. I drove around with this all day today, up and down the highway. No issues at all. It stayed in place, and I'm happy with the way it turned out.